Hi, I'm Robbie with Delta Millworks. Today we are here in Carbondale, Colorado, checking out this amazing home designed by Lipkin Warner Architects, a long-standing architecture firm here in the Aspen area. Today we're going to look at some of the design elements that made this project so special, look at some of the biophilic design, some of the natural wood elements that went into this project, and some of the other special features that made this home truly an incredible project. So this project was literally built in the forest here, right along the river. And one of the things that allows this modern style home to really work in this setting is the use of natural materials such as wood. At Delta, we really believe in sustainable woods and biophilic design. Biophilic design is our innate attraction to being in nature as humans. Being in nature is healthy for us. It benefits our mood and stress levels. And using a product like wood, whether it's inside or outside your house, really helps create a true biophilic design that helps us mimic being in nature. Let's take a walk around and check out some of these features up close and talk about some of these design elements a little further. So for this project, the client and architect went with two different wood species. For the vertical siding, they went with a black stained, knotty western red cedar. And for the ceilings and soffits, they went with a vertical grain hemlock. Both of these species out of British Columbia, Canada. The western red cedar is really a tried and true product in this environment and also throughout North America. It's rot resistant, it performs for 30+ years on average, and is really just a beautiful product and really fits with the styles of homes in this environment. We did a 2-coat black stain on the western red cedar. We also did a nylon brush before we stained it to really pop the grain and give it the surface texture a little more elegance. The 2-coat black stain should maintain the color and also protect the wood for at least 4 to 6 years before any type of maintenance or another top coat is going to need to be applied. Those are pretty high performing finishes, especially for this type of environment. The VG Hemlock, that's a vertical grain hemlock. It's a great product for ceilings and soffits and is really one of our most popular products for that application. The vertical grain gives it a nice, clean, tight grain appearance, and it's also free of knots, which gives it a very clean look overall. Both of these species are sourced out of British Columbia, Canada. These are very sustainable wood species. Both hemlock and cedar are the two most abundant species grown in Canada, and the Canadian forestry standards are some of the most stringent on the planet. So we wanted to point out a few design details here up close. Here we have a corner piece. This is a pretty common corner trim piece. This is an extruded aluminum piece that creates a very clean look when the wood is installed. Another couple elements we wanted to talk about were the fasteners. They did a face fastener with a stainless steel screw with a black painted head, and that's important because it helps the fastener blend in with the black wood a little better. Another thing that we were impressed with was the board form concrete next to the wood siding. They use this throughout the house as well. Board form concrete, although a man-made product, it utilizes wood to give it grain and texture like wood, and it's a really good contrast to natural wood materials, and also contributes overall to the biophilic design that we are seeing in this project. Here in this home, the architect really did a great job of selecting various materials for this project that contribute to the overall design, the biophilic aspect, and how this project blends seamlessly into its surrounding environment. We're taking a look at our western red cedar right here. We did a nylon brush on this product, which really helped pop the grain and knots. This is kind of a flat sawn or mixed grain type of cut, so you really get some good grain patterns in this product. You also see some knots and some other character that are pretty unique to knotty cedar. This cedar really contrasts the vertical grain hemlock ceiling very well, not just in terms of color, but also texture as well. And that's something that we really believe in at Delta, how to really dial in not only color, but texture, and also playing off the various wood species that we work with.